Here we have Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to add a note on the following device. So first of all, you need to open Notes app, click on continue if it's for the first time, and now just tap here to create a note. You can add it smoothly right here, so you can either write something down, you can make a checklist, then you will be able to mark those and that you have already done, the stuff that you've already done. And then you can also add some photo, or you can write something down manually. So just pick the pen size and also the mode. Here you can pick the color, it can be green. And now let's write something down here. Hard reset. Let's say it's hard reset, and tap on done. As you can see, this is your note. You can go back, and here it is. If you'd like to remove it, just slide left, click on bin icon, and confirm that you would like to delete it. You will be able to find it under recently deleted then. So if somehow you will have to open it again, you can simply find it under recently deleted. But also, if you'd like to remove it permanently and make sure that no one can access it, just open recently deleted and then remove it permanently. Confirm that you would like to do it, and that's it. From now on, there is no more access to this note. And this is it. This is how you can create a note on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.